Kaka. Hi, Ka!
Hi guys, welcome to our Alaska vlog.
What is that? Hi! Let Aya scan. Abram. Hi. What? Yeah. Go.
What truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love.
Careful.
But what if I'm not good enough? Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And then that shining light story called everything's peachy.
Where are you?
Hi guys. The Norwegian Jade.
And?
We're looking for our room. It's number 5541.
5541.
1,541.
Gentlemen, this is Emily, your assistant cruise director speaking. May I have your attention, please? Your full attention, please. Due to SOLAS regulation, Bliss Lounge, located deck 7 forward. Station C, Jasmine Garden, located deck 7 midship. Station D, Oceans, located deck 8 midship. Station E, Le Bistro, located ship. Station F, Bar 6, also located deck 6 midship. Alisar Restaurant, located deck 6 midship. Station H, Grand Pacific, located deck 7 aft. Thank you very much for your attention, and once again, welcome aboard.
Okay. And then let's look at the restroom.
Where are you gonna sit? Sleep down?
Yeah.
Kaka, you're gonna be there?
Down here.
You're gonna get the bunk bed.
I'm in the bunk bed. I'm in the bunk bed. Oh no. I'm in the fall. I'm gonna be up here. And you'll double down. There. Wait, how is it down here? It feels so comfortable. Wait, I'll take in your top. It feels so comfortable. But wait, I'm gonna sleep down kind of. But we're gonna share spots, alright? Okay. Hi, Ka. I'm up. Bunk bed, we can share spots. Hi, Ka. I'm up here. Hi.
Hiya.
Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And M. Night Shyamalan story called everything's peachy.
Alhamdulillah.
Space Needle.
Oh, ready? One.
Ay, no.
Another helicopter.
Where?
No, never.
Why? Helicopter.
Everything's peachy, split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And that shine a light story, cause everything's peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
Hanapin ko yung dito. Hi! Wala bang insertan? Niloloko mo ako eh.
May time. Ano para tumigil? Price nito dito?
Press and hold. Release. Anytime ata gusto mo i-release, baka ganon.
Ano ba gusto ko? 5? Ah! No!
Ay, hindi. Dapat mapasok siya ron.
Saan? Ah, dun sa arrow na ganon.
Ano ginamit ng card mo? Pero marami na pala na. One more.
One more. You press and then when you want to release, just let it go. Okay? O,
Oh,
press.
go.
Press.
Press first, press.
Press hard.
What number do you want? There. Uy!
Oh, yeah.
Robot is nice. Kumawa konti!
Oh, no. Sayang.
Video? Bakit video to?
Hi guys! We are in No Man's Land. No Man's Sea pala. Grabe oh.
Wala naman na nung pumunta Titanic. Wala na nung pumunta ba?
Wala na ba? Kasi syempre marami na silang safety measures, no?
Sabi nga, according to statistics,
Oh.
pinaka-next way to fly, ay ano, to travel is to fly.
To fly?
When Mama and Aya is having fun, we're in Splash Academy.
Smile muna, smile!
Grabe, baka malaglag phone mo, bakla.
Wala na.
Wow! Wala na. Pag nalaglag yan.
video mo.
Nakakaano dito.
Hindi ko wala naman. Baka may nag-phone
Pag ganit po, bakla, oh.
Saan? Ay, ikaw humawak.
Ikaw bawa.
Paltan mo pag nalaglag. Paano? Patayo?
Tayo, ayan, oh. Oh.
Ano pa kayo, ha?
Conquer your fear!
May humahangin.
Conquer your fear! Ay, po, sa Norwegian J.
Paano natin yung target eh, no?
Hindi tayo nag-ano eh. Maglakad-lakad na lang tayo. Ayan, sa buong ship.
Wala?
Para tignan natin yung ano.
Oo, alam ko na din eh. Try kaya tayo.
Hangin. Promenade. Walking only, please.
Dito po yung mga ano.
Ay, ang lamig.